So boom, I've made a video talking about height, and I think it was about something to do with short men having more confidence than tall men. And I was basically saying that short men don't have more confidence than tall men. Is that there are more short men than tall men in the world. So naturally, obviously, there's going to be more men that are short that have confidence, right? It's just a numbers thing, isn't it? So a lot of people think if they're not 6'4" or 6'3", they can't get girls, and that's just bullshit. Yeah, there's plenty of guys I see walking around, you know, my height, shorter or a couple of inches taller than me, but they're not quite 6 foot, and they got the baddest girls, in it. Yeah, so that's bullshit. And I got a little story for you. I was actually rejected by a girl for my height. Yeah, and obviously the tables have turned now, innit? So boom. Obviously, man use Tinder for promoting this YouTube thing, innit? But obviously, you know, if I come across a girl that's decent, obviously, you know, I'm gonna see where it goes, innit? So boom, texting this girl, or sorry, messaging this girl, boom, boom, boom. It's going alright, whatever, innit? Yeah. And I don't know, I asked for a number or whatever. Yeah, boom. Got the girl's number now. So we're texting and that. And then the $1 million question comes up. Oh, how tall are you? A lot of girls do that, because obviously in my pictures, obviously I'm not a tall guy, I'm only a measly 5'9", whatever, innit? Yeah, so obviously girls can tell how tall a guy is, whatever, innit? So she must have forgot to ask. So she was like, oh, how tall are you? Obviously I'm honest, I'm not gonna lie. I put, yeah, 5'9". And she's like, oh, like you could just tell, man, the momentum just went straight out the window. And she was like, oh, okay. Yeah, we can still talk though, innit? I was like, all right, cool. Obviously I don't delete girls' numbers, nothing like that, innit? Cool. Then the conversation just went dead after that. About 2, 3, 4 texts after, the conversation was dead, innit? Yeah, so she disappeared, innit? So basically, she rejected me for my height, yeah? But that don't knock my confidence. I'm just like, all right, cool, innit? Yeah, because that's the thing, man. You can't show them any other thing apart from your physical features when you meet girls offline, yeah? That's where you kind of, you know, in the deficit there, starting. So boom. Months go by. So I don't know when this happened. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe this was like in August or something like that, or 2018 or January of 2019. Yeah, I can't remember when. Yeah, but all I remember is next thing I know, like she was liking a couple of my Instagram, cause we had Instagrams, innit? Yeah, each other's Instagram. She was liking some of my Instagram posts. I was liking some of her Instagram posts, whatever, innit? And then boom, one day she DM'd me, yeah, cause like she used to put like the eyes, like, you know, like obviously man not gonna do it, not no gal in it, but you know, like the eyes, like, yeah, she's looking in it, yeah. So she used to do that on a couple of my pictures and stuff. And even one of my boys picked up on it, and he's like, who's this girl that keeps doing this, Jay? And I'm like, oh, one thing, you know, like she actually rejected, man, innit, and said like, nah, like she basically said without saying it, you're too short, innit? Yeah, he was like, nah, man, I think she's into you. I was like, well, she's got my number, innit? She was into me, she would have made something happen, innit? Boom. So she's liking it, always liking my posts. I like some of her posts and stuff like that. And one day she just decides to DM me, yeah, for chatting. Then something talking, I was like, yeah, talking about texting or something like that. And she was like, oh, I don't have your number. I was like, well, I still have yours, so I'll text you. So I text her. Well, I don't delete girls' numbers, innit? I'm not no pussy or like, oh, she doesn't like me, she rejected me, so I'm gonna delete them. I don't business, innit? Boom. Messaged her, started talking. Now she lives far away, quite away, yeah. She don't live in London, nowhere near, innit? Hours away, innit? Yeah. So she was like, okay, before I invest my time coming down, obviously I want to talk to you for a month or so, innit? So I was like, all right, okay, cool. Obviously, man, gonna play the slow game. I'm not gonna be texting back and forth, innit? Cause that's long, innit? Yeah, I ain't got time to. First of all, I ain't got time to be texting no girl every single hour of the day anyway. Yeah, and plus, like, that's just long. You know what I mean, innit? Yeah. So boom, we had no mobile phone calls, nothing like that. Yeah, nothing like that. Eventually, that month lapsed, and she actually came down. Now, like at this moment, it's been like 4 months since we've been talking. Yeah, this girl, she's basically in love with me. Yeah, basically in love with me. I've only ever bucked up with her 3 times. Yeah, we've only ever had 2 phone conversations in the entire time we've been texting, and the texting isn't mad. Trust me, like, I'm not on my phone like that. So we're texting like maybe once every 3-4 hours. We'll be texting and stuff like that. Like, you know, she responds back to my texts quicker than I do. It's not no game man's playing it. It's just man's not on the phone like that, innit? Yeah. But this girl is head over heels. She tells me I think about you 24/7. Yeah. She told me she wants to move in with me. Yeah, she wants to live with me. Yeah, I told her. Yeah, I can't remember if this was on the phone, because obviously we did have that second phone call. I said we only had 2 proper phone calls in the time we were talking. I'm sure I said to her, yeah, if I said to you, get your stuff, you're coming to live with me, yeah, leave your job, I'll cover you for the next couple months, whatever, so you can get yourself on track. See, not everyone's good with money, whatever, innit, yeah, but I'll look after you for 2 months, yeah, until you get yourself on track and find a job. Obviously she moved in area completely, yeah, you're coming to live with me. She'll pack her bags and leave. I'm sure she said yes. She didn't say no. Yeah, cause she told me she wants to move in with me, innit? So that just goes to show, innit? Yeah, like, bro, all this hype business is bullshit. It's bullshit. You don't need to be 6'3" to get a girl to like you, innit? The only thing, right, with the height thing that can affect you or hinder you is when you use stuff like Tinder. Yeah, because girls, they can't see that you got swag, you know, the way you walk and all that stuff like that. They can't see that. They just see a picture, innit? They say, okay, yeah, he's a cute guy, but he's 5'9". I'm looking for a guy who's 6'3", innit? Yeah. One thing I will say about the height thing is, one girl did tell me once before, a lot of girls, most of them are a little bit overweight or whatever, innit? Yeah. And they want a guy who's taller than them because it makes them not feel not as big. Kind of something like that, yeah. So if a guy's taller than them, although they are quite weighty or curvy, if a guy's taller than them, it makes them feel less big. Whereas if they're the same height as a guy and they're big, because most of us guys are quite slender, well, I am anyway, yeah. If a girl is the same height as me and she's really curvy, it makes her feel more fat. So that's partly to do with why women obviously, you know, like guys who are taller than them, innit? Yeah. But trust me, if you got a girl around you who, you know, oh yeah, always complaining about height or whatever, innit? Yeah, the height thing is just to get your foot in the door. It's all the looks thing is just superficial, innit? Yeah, girls will love you for how you make them feel, innit? How you are as a person. Yeah, she tells me she always sees guys where they try and come up to her and she's like, nah. She always compares them to me, and I told her, look, you can meet guys, right, who are taller than me, got more money than me, you know, better looking than me, whatever, innit? Yeah, but you're not gonna meet much guys who can make you feel the way I do, innit? Yeah, like the way I make her feel. That's why she's on, man. It's not like, yeah, I got money, but obviously she knows I got money, but it's not like, yeah, man's crazy rich or man's spending all this money or yeah, flying girls here and there. I'm doing nothing, just texting back and forth. But it's the way you make a woman feel. She tried it on me as well. She tried to do this thing, yeah, where like she tried to pull away and see if I'll come chase her, and it telling me, oh, I can't do this no more. I need more of a commitment from you. Sent me some fat scroll of a text. I didn't even reply back. Yeah. I said, okay, cool, boom. I'm not gonna reply back. Yeah. If she comes back, she comes back. If she don't, she don't. Hold firm. Boom. 5 days later. Oh, I feel so weak doing this, blah blah blah. But yeah, you are. Man a man, innit? Yeah, man's not no weak person to be chasing after no girl. Yeah, the way I see it, if a girl thinks that they can pull away from me or they don't want to talk to me no more, that's basically telling me that they think they can do better, innit? So I let you go, innit? If you think you can do better, go ahead. Because if I thought I could do better or whatever, I'll just go and find another girl. So yeah, the height thing, bullshit. It only works, yeah. The height thing only matters, right? Just on the initial meet, but after that, like, you trust me, you can change a girl's mind if you're around them long enough. Yeah, if a girl has this thing where if a guy's under 6'3", I'm not even giving him a chance to text me, then it is what it is. But if you got a girl around you at work or blah blah blah, you know, somewhere that you can always encounter a girl, I'm telling you, so long as you're a couple inches taller than her, the height thing, I don't think it will matter, man. You know, yeah, as long as you're a couple inches taller, even if you're 5'3" and she's 5'1", I don't think the height thing matters. I think what matters is how you make a girl feel. Why do you think girls always go back to guys who cheat and disrespect them? Because of how that guy makes her feel. And he might even be 5'9", yeah, and you got all these fucking these 6'3", 6'5" punks want to take her out on dates and treat her like she's the Queen of England. That height thing, man, is bullshit, man. You don't need to be 6'3" or whatever. You can be 5'9" like me and get hot girls, yeah. I've always had nice girls and I've always been this height. So that height thing, bullshit, yeah. Stay wise.